That man walk. Dude. I don't know where y'all are that quick.
I'm gonna bang bang the first one around the corner. Just bang 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 if you can. Bang bang bang!
Bye bye. Bye bye. You're we're both. Bye bye, nigga! Are you guys gonna shoot me?
I think they just tried to shoot. Let's just shoot whoever walks through that door now. Let's just shoot whoever walks through that door.
I'm down.
Anybody, even if they say they're bad,
Everybody get in line with that place all day. Nobody's got somebody getting shot back.
we still, wait, no, those two may be traitors.
No.
Everybody needs to get a fucking line, I don't like this.
Everybody get against this wall.
Everybody gets the wall.
But we can shoot them right here as soon as they come through.
Somebody gotta watch that fucking hole through though.
I don't know if I can shoot.
Yeah, they can.
What the fuck? Innocent, goddammit!
That was his idea.
Don't shoot, come on, that ain't fair.
Hey, I have it on video.
Innocent?
I'm dead.
Yeah, traitor. Who's a traitor, okay.
So we have one more.
Dude, that just out there just slaughtering people though.
I ain't going to that door to peek out no more. I don't trust you.
This is fucking gay. Y'all can't just coop up in here. This is no fun.
Bang, bang.
You fucking dick.
Are you traitor?
I'm innocent.
Damn. You're gonna fucking die.
Oh no.
You know, he's killed 2 people in this
Yeah,
game.
but he just got a fucking lie. Saying that there's only one person in here. That's pretty fucking stealthy.
Whoa.
Not saying Steven's a traitor, but Steven's a traitor.
Yeah.
Would he actually tell you, then that's cheating.
Huh?
If he
Sure.
told you I was traitor, that'd be cheating.
But if he tells you that and it's a lie, then it would be cheating.
Inception.
Got kicked. Scared the fuck out of me. Dude, you fucking see how Sue just died.
Oh! See? I fucking told you.
Right. You got any more CO2?
Steven, neither one of these was traitor.
And a way to change it? Wait a fucking god.
God damn it!
Wait a fucking
Someone's not even a fucking traitor!
You are the shadiest innocent person I've ever met.
Why would I have my gun like this? Who the fuck puts their gun in? My gun was completely down.
Oh, I got it on
You are
video.
the shadiest innocent person ever.
What, did I? There's nobody with me. There's nobody with me.
Dead guy. Dead guy.
He's recording, he's recording.
You're alive.
No, I know, it's
Are you alive?
I am. It's Justin. Swear to God.
I don't fucking trust you.
No.
Justin killed him, you fucking liar.
Matt's not telling them. Matt's not telling the traitors who the other traitor is.
Yeah, I don't know who's the traitor.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, Matt's not doing it.
Really?
I really know that.
Matt! Get your fucking shit in here.
Show him right now.
Get in.
Coming in.
Did you not tell the other people? Yeah, I did. I told one traitor that the other one, I figured.
You need to decide who the 2 traitors are before we start speaking.
Yeah.
Fuck!
What's up? Traitor or innocent? Game over, 'cause man.
Make sure it's real.
Hey! Come down, come down.
Tyler! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh shit, everybody go inside.
Whoa!
Hey, Steven's trying walking.
What?
Sign a fucking traitor. You got your
No, that ain't going to I'm coming in.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
What? Tell him, Trey, Lord. My safety is on. Fucking traitor. You're a fucking traitor. People don't fucking know that. You're fucking laughing. Tell us fucking. You all that?
Steven,
What's he doing?
it's alright.
Don't.
You're a water.
We're all traitors.
Stop.
Drop it, you. No more. I stabbed you first, bitch.